What's up guys, Eli here, back with another episode of Reseller Pickup number 2. So let's get into it. If you guys haven't already watched number 1, go ahead and watch that. I'll put it up here somewhere on the top of the screen. It is all about getting steals, finding personals for yourself, pretty much where I go in depth of showing you how I get my own personals for good prices and where to get them. So if you guys are interested in getting this stuff for yourself, keep watching, stay tuned, and also remember to subscribe to your boy. So let's get into it. I have a couple of heaters around me, so I hope you're really excited for this episode of Reseller Pickup. Guys, you probably already noticed I got a little lapel mic as well, so hopefully the audio is better. I am practicing getting the audio right and perfecting it, so hopefully it is just a little bit more crisp and not as echoey, because I do have a tiled room, which is a little bit whack. Now, so guys, Reseller Pickup is going to be constantly evolving into something that you guys, my audience, wants to see. For the time being, it is me going into my personals and looking at how I actually copped them, what price I paid, and where I actually got them from. So without further ado, let me show you what I picked up. Wait, hold up. Before I show you what I got, I'm gonna give you a little hint of what it is. It is a pair of Yeezys. Now, some of you guys following my Instagram at Eli, HMMELI, or Next on Kicks will already maybe know. Maybe. Comment below and give yourself a pat on the back if you get it right, okay? Here we go. Bam, right there. Yeezy 700 Mauve. Really nice pair of shoes. I love them personally. Really high quality as well. The suede on these is sick. Check that out. Super nice. Some of you guys I know pronounce it Mauve. Some pronounce it Mauve. Movie, whatever the hell you want to call it. I've got it right here, and I'm about to show you how much I copped them for. Yeah, I'm actually really looking forward to reading the comments, seeing who actually got that one right. So where did I get these from? Well, I went onto Facebook Marketplace and I did what I always do. And if you guys aren't doing this, MJ?
Stop it. Get some help.
So guys, all you have to do is jump into Facebook Marketplace, go ahead and type in your favorite shoe, and constantly look every single day until you find someone who's negotiable. And until that day comes, you will not buy. I'm just kidding. So once you get onto Facebook Marketplace, you want to message as many people as you can with the shoe, and you want to just start off with a really friendly conversation. At the end of the day, we're all humans. We don't want to really be treated like robots. So jump on there, just ask them how their day is and kind of get to know them. Once you start doing this, you build a bit of rapport and the person is more likely to be negotiable with you. So don't just be like,
$100, I deserve this.
Actually take the time and have a nice conversation with the person. Ask them how they are. No one really does that. So if you're that point of difference, the person's more likely wanting to sell to you for one, and will be more open to negotiating. So find someone who's open to negotiating, step 1. Find the shoe, step 2. Obviously you need to do that before step 1, so twist those ones around. And then go on Facebook Marketplace and get yourself a steal, guys. It really comes down to seller communication as well, on getting good prices on your shoes. You need to know what to say, how to say it, and when to say it. So this is all going to be broken down as we go through these reseller pickup episodes. So stay tuned and let's get into how much I pay for these. So guys, I'm gonna ask you another question down in the comments. How much do you reckon I paid for these? So I'm just gonna give you a little background on them. They have no box. So for a person that actually wants to get them for personals, that is such a big thing. Having no box is such a killer of the price. So if you just wanna wear them and you wanna rock them, dude, who gives a crap about a box, honestly? Unless they're a special box like these. The guy that was selling these on Facebook, he brought them over from France when he went to Europe. So there's always a little funny backstory for getting personal shoes, in my opinion. You always find cool little stories and why they're selling cheap. So obviously he had no box. That was 1. Your boy is a master negotiator. That's number 2. Trying to teach you guys as well. And number 3, the guy was just a nice bloke. I think he was like 16, 17, so he didn't really care. He just wanted to move them on so he can get more sneakers. So I hit him up. He had them for around $350 on Marketplace, and I was like, I ain't about to pay that. So I literally just said, dude, can you do a steal on them? And he said, yeah, all right, whatever. I legit offered him $210 to ship these to me. Now, I know what you're thinking, man, what the hell, they're probably fake. That's whack. But that's where my own legit checker came into place. I got him to check all the insoles, the outsoles, the bloody stitching, every single part of the shoe to make sure they were legit, because I didn't want to be walking around in no fake shoes and paying $210 for them. So once I came back all good, I was on it like flies to shit. 210 bucks for these bad boys. Definitely a good deal. And I think worthy of Reseller Pickup episode 2. So you're probably wondering, man, how the hell are you finding these steals? How can I do the same? Legit, guys, you just need to put the work in, you need to hustle. I really suggest just constantly checking it every single day. That's number one. Messaging people, getting to know them. Finding homies that actually want to move their pairs. They don't really want to make money off you, so they'll actually do better prices and maybe what they actually paid. So just start talking to people and get around, you know, the network and the community, and then start finding all these steals for yourselves, and you'll be able to rock these shoes and many others in no time. Again, if you have any questions, just leave them down below, and I really want to know what kind of videos you want to see from me going forward with the Eli Hernandez YouTube channel, because it really is based mostly around reselling and shoes, which I love and I have no problem with doing. So I want to know your guys' feedback on this actual series. So let me know what you guys want to see next, and I do have another shoe that's going to be awesome for the next episode. Also, I know a couple of you guys actually messaged me after Reseller Pickup number 1 and actually did the same things as I was doing and found so many steals of your own. So I really love to hear that success story coming from these simple videos, and it just makes my day to hear back from you guys. So do leave shoes that you're actually finding in the marketplace and on Gumtree and on eBay, and yeah, leave them below. Let's see what you're copying. Let's start talking about it and getting around it. All right, guys, until next episode, next Tuesday at 7:30, I'll see you then. Peace.